Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It's Umul Qura Education System. Naming words or nouns. Everything around us has a name. Name help us to identify people, places, animals or things. All names are naming words or nouns. People. We see many people around us, call them name with different names like mother, teacher, doctor. So we can say that naming words are the names of persons. Places. We go to different places, for example, school, park, beach. These are all naming words. Naming words are the name of places. Animals. You must have seen many animals like cow, elephant, tiger. So again we say that name of animals are naming words. Now let us think about things noun. Clock, guitar, hat. These are the naming words of different things. We can say that naming words are the name of things. Naming words or nouns are names of person, places, animals and things. Let us do an exercise. Here is a list of words which we have to put in the correct place in the table. The first word is postman. Postman is a name of a person. We can write it under the person. Next is zoo. Zoo is the name of place. So we can write in the under place. Next is mango. Mango is a thing. So we can write it under the thing table. Next is monkey. Monkey is the name of an animal. So we can write it under animal. Next is father. Father is a name of a person. So we can write under the person. Next is office. Office is a place. So we can write under the place. Next is deer. Deer is an animal. So we can write under the animal. Next is lock. Lock is a thing. So we can write under the thing. Hope you have fun learning naming words with me. Thank you so much.